Your house isn't the reason you can't get organized. But my house is too small and I don't have enough storage space and my closets suck. Yeah, I hear this all the time. So if you've struggled with clutter for years and it feels relentless or impossible to handle, then this is for you. I'm Kim Sneath, the Clutter Coach, and I help busy people systematically declutter and get organized. It's frustrating because you want the clutter gone, but there's nowhere to put it, right? And this results in thinking you don't have enough space. And I get why you think that. A lot of my clients felt this way too because they didn't have places to put all their things either. But in reality, it's not your house or the space that's the problem. It's the fact that you have too much stuff. So what do? You must declutter first. The first step to getting organized is to reduce the overwhelming amount of stuff you own. So don't go shopping for containers and shelving in a weekend blitz to finally get organized. Because first of all, if you've been suffocating under the weight of clutter for 5, 10 years or more, it's going to take more than a weekend to get organized. Secondly, you don't need to be adding more stuff or solutions to your home at this time. Once you declutter, you'll understand how much stuff you have left to contain. Now, there's more steps to this than I can fit in here, but follow this tip. Declutter first, and you'll get started off on the right foot. And to help you, I'm giving away my free decluttering game that will take you less than 5 minutes to watch and will show you step by step how to effectively start to declutter.